Hi, my name is Michael Varacins with PepperBall. I am the Chief Technical Officer. What makes a PepperBall projectile excel? There's three fundamental areas that PepperBall projectiles excel at. One is the accuracy, two is the breakage characteristics, how well it breaks on targets, and the third is the size and the effectiveness of the cloud that's produced on impact. We accomplish these things through our very controlled and strict manufacturing process. The accuracy is obtained through very tight manufacturing tolerances, particularly on the weight and the size of the projectile. The weight of the projectiles are controlled during our manufacturing process. If you were to sample a group of our projectiles, they all fall within a very, very tight weight range. We're talking on the order of hundredths of a gram. That allows the accuracy of the projectile, because any weight variance affects how well they fly. The other thing that affects accuracy of a projectile is the overall size of the projectile. PepperBall projectiles during the manufacturing process are held to an incredibly tight size tolerance. If you were to grab a group of our projectiles and measure them for the diameter, they would all fall within 1 to 2 thousandths of an inch of each other. That is important because it determines how well the projectiles fit in the barrel of a launcher. And the fit of the projectiles in the barrel has some effect on the accuracy of the projectile. So our size tolerance, again, contributes to the excellent accuracy of our projectiles. Another area where the PepperBall projectiles excel at is how well they break on a target. The breakage is accomplished in our injection molding process. We have very proprietary injection molding processes that allow us to make an incredibly fragile shell that breaks in a specific manner on impact. It can't be accomplished using standard injection molding machines. All of our injection molding machines have proprietary controls on them that allow us to manufacture the projectiles in a specific manner. A third area where PepperBall projectiles excel at is in their cloud that's produced upon impact. The powder that was developed by PepperBall was developed using a PhD chemist and a combined experience of over 50 years in the development of both fragile projectiles as well as the powders that go in them. Our cloud is one of the largest in the industry and is specifically engineered to keep the active ingredient airborne in the air, making it available for the target to inhale and affect the target. So those are the three areas that PepperBall projectiles excel at. And again, this is all accomplished through our very extensive R&D work and our very extensive manufacturing process. A good example is we sample test and do a destructive test on 1% of all projectiles that are produced to make sure they fall within the appropriate quality levels and the categories that we just discussed. We also, in addition to that 1% destructive testing, we do a visual inspection on every projectile, again, to make sure that it's going to perform to the criteria that we expect it to perform at. Our entire R&D team and our manufacturing team have over 75 years of combined experience producing frangible projectiles for this industry.